Hey guys, meet Dyson lightest cordless vacuum cleaner with powerful suction. Dyson V8 Slim Fluffy Plus is the one, and it is loaded with new soft roller cleaner head that's 40% smaller and lighter. In addition, the one is now 102 mm shorter and the machine weighs 2.15 kg, perfect for Asian like you and me. By the way, you will love the new light pipe crevice too. The two LED lights give better visibility of where to clean. Alright, let's have a closer look now. All the stuff are nicely packed and protected. Rest assures that your V8 Slim will arrive at your doorstep in perfect condition. I'm amazed that they can pack a lot of things in such a small package. Was expecting a bigger box. First of all, the operating manual in multiple languages to get you started in no time. Be sure to go through it to learn all the essential functions and features. Followed by the docking station installation guide and usage. Meet the Slim Fluffy cleaner head for hard floors. Dyson engineers use an aircraft-grade 6061 aluminum and managed to cut the brush bar's diameter by 29%. In addition, giving it thinner yet stronger walls. They also stitched the carbon fiber filaments and filled together, which made a significant loss in weight too. The airflow path through the cleaner head was re-engineered to create a more direct path for the airflow. As a result, better edge cleaning performance is what you get, thanks to powerful direct drive motor too. The light pipe crevice 2 is another great addition to the list of accessories. Loaded with see-through design this round, yes, it will light up dark small spaces for better visibility of where to clean, all thanks to the two LED lights that run along both sides of the crevice too. The new one is 102 mm shorter than the standard V8 version. As usual, just attach the cleaner head or other tools to the one and start your cleaning. A must-have extension tool for daily cleaning. This is the combination tool. Can be used in handheld or with a wand to reach high-up spaces. Suitable to clean all surfaces. Dual mode in one body. Chain mode with just single click of the button. Check out the mini Motorised tool that I love so much. Perfect to use to remove ground-in dirt and hair from upholstery and confined spaces. Yes, this is the one to clean mattresses, pillow, and so on. Handheld mode only. It is also loaded with powerful motor to further help the cleaning. Don't need motors? Mattress 2 is the one that you need then. Enjoy suction across the entire width of the head to remove dirt and allergens from mattresses, cushions, and upholstery. This is the mini soft dusting brush that has soft bristle. Perfect to remove dust around the home gently and can fix into narrow gaps. You can use it in handheld or with a wand for high-up spaces. Here is the 1.8 meter charger with UK plug. By the way, V8 will take around 5 hours to fully charge. And here is the two docking station. Install it yourself manually or ask professional to do the task. Then you can dock V8 there and charge it. You can also store two of your frequently used tools there as well. Lastly, this is Dyson V8 main body. Excellent build quality. It is loaded with Dyson Digital Motor V8 that spins at 110,000 RPM. That's 5 times faster than a Formula 1 car engine. It also generates up to 115 air watts of suction thanks to 2 tiers radiant cyclones. 15 cyclones create strong centrifugal forces to fling microscopic dirt into the clear bin. The pre- and post-motor filters do their job then as whole machine filtration. The post-motor filter can capture 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including allergens, pollen, and mold spores, making the exhaust air cleaner. Up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction in powerful suction mode, or max mode for intensive spot cleaning. There are blue LED light indicators for battery life, red for issues, large 0.54 liter dustbin for longer cleaning time, and very easy to remove all the dirt. Just pull the trigger, it will eject all the dust and debris deep into the dustbin. Yup, there's no need to touch the dirt at all. Alright, that's all for the hardware tour. Let's dive into the actual usage now. Dyson V8 Slim managed to clean my whole double-story semi-D with around 100 square meters on powerful suction mode. That's the mode that you need most of the time. It can last for 48 minutes without Motorised too, shorter with those tools. Max mode for intensive spot cleaning can last for 7 minutes. For self-charging, it takes around 4 hours 15 minutes to 5 hours to fully charge. As usual, you can check the battery life status from LED light indicator. As for noise level, powerful suction mode has 67 dBA and max mode is 75 dBA. In short, it's a quiet cordless vacuum cleaner with powerful suction. Let's have a look on the suction test. V8 Slim is powerful, no doubt. Check out the water bottle. It is totally flat due to out of air inside, thanks to 115 air watt total suction power. Rest assures that it will perform well on daily cleaning tasks too. Yup, it sucks all the dust easily with just single trip. Save your time and effort, no doubt. Perform well on the heavy mung bins too. Again, single trip will do. And both of them are using powerful suction mode, which has longer battery life. For long lift, some will stuck on a cleaner head when using powerful mode. The leaves are a bit long for the slim head, therefore max mode is preferred here, and do the job well. How about carpet? Slim Fluffy cleaner head is meant for hard floor, but I still managed to clean and suck those heavy mung bins from the carpet. Again, max mode is required to do the task. Here are all the stuff after clean my whole double-story semi-D. As you can see, hairs and some dust are tangled around the metal part. Do I need brush to remove them? Let's find out now. Dyson Hygienic Bin Emptying is excellent, the best among all the cordless vacuums that I have tested. Just a single pull on the bin release trigger, all the dirty stuff are gone. Close the bin after that. No need to touch the dirt at all. Same apply to filter cleaning. Just clean it with water will do. Just do so every month or when needed. FYI, Dyson 2-tier radiant cyclones do an excellent job by separating dirt into the dustbin. You won't need to clean those filters as much as other brands. Cleaning the new Slim Fluffy Cleaner Head brush bar is simpler than ever. Just remove the parts one by one. No tool is needed, and attach them back after clean. Same applies to the mini Motorised too. Easy to clean and manage, as simple as ABC. Enjoy fade-free suction with constant power. In addition, enjoy more power saving too. V8 Slim stops vacuum once you release the power trigger. Motor spins when needed only. It also stops motor from spinning once blockage is detected. Other brand vacuums will just keep going and waste battery. Turn Dyson V8 Slim Fluffy Plus into a handheld dust mite vacuum with a useful mini Motorised too. Work great on mattress as well as fabric sofa, all thanks to useful mini power brush for slapping and sweeping, and powerful suction too. For suction only, you can use the mattress too. Again, you can use it to clean mattress, sofa, pillow, and so on. Plug and play with modular design. You can attach and remove with just single click of the button. Different tools can be used for different cleaning tasks. Vacuum anywhere, anytime, all thanks to cordless design. No need to worry about length of the wire. Just focus on the cleaning tasks will do. Fast and easy for sure. And plenty of accessories help to make the task even easier. The newly added Slim Fluffy Cleaner Head does a great job on tight space and clean very well too. The light pipe crevice too is also useful in dark corners. You can see all the dirty stuff easily with those LED lights. Well, that's pretty much covered everything of this lightest cordless vacuum cleaner from Dyson yet. Even my 8 years old boy can help to clean the house now. Totally worth the investment. Enjoy powerful suction, long battery life, and a lot of useful tools, which makes cleaning even more efficient and easier. Don't forget the 2 years worry-free warranty too. To get yours with the link at below. Thanks. I'm Jace. Glad to see you around. Peace.